Now let us do a solved example. If a swimmer wishes to cross a river flowing at 3 kilometers per hour in minimum time, then find the direction. We have to find the direction in which he should swim to achieve this if he can swim at 5 kilometers per hour relative to water. So first let us draw the diagram, the real situation diagram. Let us say that if this is the river, it is flowing in this direction with velocity uf, and the swimmer jumps, this is the width of the river, swimmer jumps inside the river at point from point A, and this is your point B, diametrically opposite to A. Now to cross the river in minimum time, we have to minimize the crossing time, which we did in previous videos, which is equal to T equals to D upon Vc, where Vc is crossing time. Now to minimize time, we have to do this in minimum time. So to minimize time, the Vc component, the denominator, should be maximum. Now this denominator will be maximum only if the swimmer jumps and swims in the direction of B, if this is the velocity of swimmer Vs. If he jumps in any other direction, in downstream or in upstream, then in this direction there will only be a component which will be Vs cos theta. So denominator will be Vs cos theta, which will be lesser than Vc, because it is only a part of the swimmer's velocity, not the complete swimmer's velocity. So to maximize the denominator, the swimmer should swim perpendicular to the flow current. Although he will reach this point, but that does not matter, because we are asked to minimize the time and we are not asked to about the position where the swimmer will reach. So if swimmer swims in the perpendicular direction, only then he will minimize the time to cross the river. So in this case, the time will become equal to D upon Vs. Now here, this you should remember. So in your notebooks you can write this note, that the direction should always be perpendicular to river current to minimize crossing time. So you understand this concept and note this down in your notebooks, and this will be the answer. This direction should be perpendicular. This will be the answer to this question.